Welcome back to the VST channel, guys. This time I have something very exciting for you, and this is the one-hand Operation Plus update. Why? This feature is very cool, apparently. New feature, quick launcher added. Version is 6.4.25, and of course there's some other things added. Fix that does not work when editing photos, videos, added video photo editor app settings in app exceptions, fix quick toolbar previous next song actions during gameplay, and the favorite among all the changelogs, other stability improvement. Now, why is this important, guys? The version is 6.4.25.0 from the 17th of July, which is actually today, only 6 megabytes. It's important because there is a new feature. Often when there are some bug fixes, guys, this only means that some things previously not working, or at least not working so well, were either fixed or improved. But when we have a new feature, there are things we can check with our hands and see with our eyes, guys. And if you enjoy content like this, guys, you might want to sub for the VST channel, prop created by one of my kids. Yes. And now I'm going to update the one-hand Operation Plus, guys, and we're going to see this quick launcher. And because I have some people in the VST chat like Ujval that are using one-hand Operation really on a daily basis, they are already telling me that it smokes the edge panel. So edge panel is this, you kind of know about this bar, you can customize it, add your own icons there, and of course did crazy things like start apps in a split mode. One-hand Operation really brings this to the next level. So I have now updated it, guys. I can now open it. You know that this is a model from GoodLog. So either from here or of course you need to download the GoodLog application. Sadly, the GoodLog application is still locked. It's a region lock in some countries. So if this doesn't work for you, you might as well want to check some of this video here. There are some very nice patch GoodLogs by Corsicano. I think he's from Romania. Shout out to Corsicano, guys. By the way, see, this is why I love Samsung. One of the reasons, of course, one of the many reasons. Nice animations, they made my day. Things like this, you open the weather, guys. We have some fancy animations. Seems that I kind of like animations. One option for you to update all the applications is either directly from GoodLog or to do it from the Samsung Galaxy Store. The one-hand Operation Plus is here. Use your phone or tablet easily with just your thumb. And that's important, guys, because I have large hands, but even I'm struggling to kind of like reach the surface of this phone everywhere because it's a large phone. One-hand Operation Plus is now off. I'm just gonna turn it on, guys, and immediately I have here some of my handles. I have tried to demonstrate some of the features in one of the many videos that I did. With the use of one-hand Operation Plus, you have the option to use a short swipe. So for example, this is gonna be a straight back key. Diagonal up is gonna be like widgets pop up, right? If I do like this, I'm gonna get the widget pop up, right? If I gonna do something like this, short swipe on the right hand side, of course I'm going to get the quick tools, and then I have the options to do a long swipe. Now I'm going to demonstrate right now. Long swipe and diagonal down direction will get me the task switcher. Okay, I'm demonstrating. That's the task switcher. It's very useful. How does it work, guys? I can show you one more time. Boom. Task switcher, right? One of the many things that you can only do on One UI without having to mess up with root third-party apps whatsoever. Now, the moment of truth, I'm going to replace my task switcher with the quick launcher, all right? So before doing this, I want to click here on the cogwheel and see what are the options. Quick launcher, quick action, start action before you release your finger from the screen, which is quite nice, which means that I can already initiate an action when I do like this before releasing the gesture. And then you have number of page columns, 2, 3, or 4. So first thing I'm going to test it just like this. So right now I didn't enable this quick action release. I'm swiping like this. Oh, I can now understand. All right, that's interesting. Oh, and I got a cogwheel here as well. So apparently what we now are getting is this extended like mini launcher inside the main screen, which is kind of nice. So this is the edge panel, guys. And maybe Usual was right, like, do we need the edge panel when we get something like this? How about adding new applications to the quick launcher? So we can press here to this icon and then let's just pick a random. Okay, let's just bring up the Bookie Calm, because why not? It's already summer, we want to go somewhere to vacation. Now let me just open again a quick launcher. Boom, here I will have the app that I just added. If I am to hold on this, guys, nothing is going to happen, right? Let's see the animation when I open something from the quick launcher. So okay, oh, it also has a time to stand by. So if you wait long enough, it's going to go away. But let's open Twitter. Oh, the animation was so smooth. Okay, one more time. Let's try to open Spotify. Okay, see, nice one. It kind of minimizes and then boom, you get this very nice layer on top. This is really, really great. What happens, guys, if I am to click this icon here? Oh, what? I can add, what just happened? I added here like a folder. So what I can do from this folder is I can directly go inside and probably even try to add icons there, which is quite nice. I get the idea. So right now I will, oh, you can have folders with apps inside those folders. Jesus, this seems like using a mini phone, right? You can also add more folders, and of course you can remove those folders. This is really, really, really great, guys. Quick action, start actions before you release your finger from the screen. So I'm going to enable that one. And also number of page columns. Right now I've been using 4. Let's just see how 2 are going to look like. Oh, okay. 2 is not my style. All right, let's demonstrate 3, for example, just for a change. Going outside, yeah, okay, not so symmetrical, so my primary choice will be 4. And now I have the quick action. Start the action before you raise your finger from the screen. Now, let me just try to close everything. From this menu, I can select an application to be added or a function. So, let me see what options we have. Quick pop-up, screen timeout. I will now test the quick action. This should start the action before I release my finger from the screen. And for that reason, I've added here a mute button. And guys, it's a bit weird because I'm touching it, right? Nothing happens. And you can just see, when I touch an icon, there is an overlay here. So you can just see it gets activated. But for some reason, it only gets muted when I lift my finger from the screen. And I'm not sure if that's a bug, right? Because if I'm to go back to the launcher and remove the quick action, I'm getting the same behavior. Okay, you can see here, guys, the moment I touch it, I can see there is a shadow around the icon, so it's activated, but maybe it is still a bug. Overall, though, still very nice and pleasant functionality, guys. So let's do a recap. You can have like a mini launcher inside your screen, right? And can we do this while we're in the recents menu? Oh, all right. Even nutser, guys. You can also invoke this while you are inside the recents menu. So you get a mini launcher. It has the ability to launch standalone applications. You can add multiple pages and you can add also folders and put some applications inside it. Well, thank you so much, Samsung. Really nice functionality. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe. And with that said, VST over and bye.